Peace and blessings, y'all. Peace and blessings. Oh, yeah. I've been studying since early this morning. I am 3 lessons in on this man, and I'm about to let go of one of them. We're going to talk about how the universe is built on logic, and he is not. We're going to talk about his idea of universal logic versus the idea of true universal logic. I'm about to show him what Bliching Around really is. You ain't met nothing till you done met a real black witch. This man is mixing Christianity, Hebrew Israelism, the 5% nation, and LGBT together. I need this nigga to pick a fight. I need this nigga to pick a fight. Peace and blessings, Miss Bree, Miss Shelley, Miss Liz. How y'all doing? Bliss, what's up? Peace and blessings. This is what we'll be talking about today, boys and girls. That's right. I laid it out for you. We'll be talking about universe is built on logic. On logic. And we'll be using the Pythagorean theorem today to actually do this. Now, for those of you who don't understand what the Pythagorean theorem is, the Pythagorean theorem says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's what it says. In some metaphysical interpretations, it can be read as male plus female equals child. A being the male who holds the structure of the form. B being the female who gives the base support of the form. C being the child, which gives the full encompassment of A and B. So, A squared plus B squared equals the sum total of C squared. So, mom and dad are the full circumference of how far the child can go outside of itself. Now, that's universal logic. The universe says, go forth and multiply. Nothing in nature not multiplies. If you are not multiplying in nature, you are not you're not using universal logic. Nature wants to be multiplied. Hence why A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Male being the structure or the support, female being the base, and the child being the total structure of the base and the total structure and the base. Got that? All right. Go forth and multiply is the logic of the universe. Let me move that garnet out the way a little bit. Now, male plus male does not get you a child. Okay? Female plus female does not get you a child. Male plus female gets a child. So according to this Pythagorean theorem, male plus male will not work because it's 2 high structures. There's no base. Female and female won't work because you have 2 bases and no structure. Only male plus female equals child. Structure and base gets you an area. Okay? You can use either or, Haru. It works either way. Please don't make this more complicated than it is. It's really not that complicated. It's really not that complicated. So, now that we get down here, universal logic, now that we get down here and we realize that two structures cannot give you a full area, it does work, love. Sweetheart, this is a mathematical formula that has worked since your name was made. We're not talking about chromosome. Never mind. Let me keep going with what I'm talking about. No problem, T. There you go. Is that better for you? Okay. And then I have to ask the males that are saying that this doesn't work. I have to ask you if you took higher math in high school or college, because this is a famous formula that has always worked. And it's funny that the two people that come in whose names are made for this don't work. Now, the divine union is the blade. Thank you, Kimberly. It's just always something. The divine union is the blade, which is male. This is blade, which is male. It points up. This is the divine union of female, which is the chalice or the cup. Okay? Those being said, when the divine union happens, they are reflections of one another. You have them side by side and they still balance. On top of one another, they are still reflections and balance. If you lay them on top of one another, you get the star, which is representation of the child. If you top them right on top of each other, you get the pyramid structure of the structures of Giza. This is the divine union. The chalice and the blade coming together. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. The star is born. When you come over here, how about you go look it up, Haru? Do a little homework, bruh. So, when you come over here, you will realize that in logic, the male being the blade, if two males are together, these are the structures that you get. Two side by side, two stacked, two laid on top of one another, two together, two inside. This is not harmonial balance. When you get two females together, you have two cups. Two cups laid on top of each other, two cups on top of each other, two cups in each other. They will not make a star no matter how you put those together. The only divine union is the male and the female. So whenever you hear somebody pushing the homosexual agenda on you, I need you to remember this simple paradigm right here. We set this in motion a very, very long time ago. And the brother is asking, how do you square a man? You don't understand your mystery systems yet. So that's not for me to answer. That's for you to go through your mystery systems and find out, since your name is Haru. For you to go through your mystery systems, I don't think you've gone through them yet properly to find out what that 2 means. To find out what this 2 means. To find out what that 2 means. Because yes, a man can be squared, sweetie, but you would have to go through your mystery systems to know that. And this is how in Egypt we knew who was going through the mystery systems and where they were in the mystery systems by how they laid out formulas like this and the questions that they asked. Because the further you go into your mystery systems, the more you will understand structures like the triangle. Why these formulas are set up the way that they are. This is universal logic. And anybody talking any different is a liar. Anybody talking any different is not speaking in universal logic. I don't expect the brothers to listen to me. They never listen to women. They don't listen. It's just constant combat when you're trying to teach. And I ain't got time for that today. So, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Male plus female equals child. Male is the structure, female is the base, child is the total of structure and base. The child can usually go no further than the strength of its father and the base knowledge of its mother. Go forth and multiply is the logic of the universe. If what you are doing with your partner cannot be multiplied or it does not produce life, you are going against the logic of the universe. I don't care, Haru. Did you come here to be ego tripping? Because that's what it seems like you're doing, and all the women are saying so. So I'm not quite sure why you're here. Are we friends? Hold on, let me go check. Because everybody I'm not exactly friends with, and I don't exactly like everybody. So here we go. All right, got rid of one of them. Just waiting on the other one. So, thank you. Go teach your version on your platform. Get the fuck out. Or I can help you out. Because I treat blocking people like a rhino check. It don't make me no difference. I'm not scared to lose friends. So, anybody speaking outside of this logic is absolutely sending you astray. Period. Sister, I have my emeralds, I have my lapis, I have my garnet, I have my bloodstone, and I have my red tiger's eye. And I sell all of these stones as well. I clear them, I bless them, and they're ready to go when they get to you. So, that being said, I said this was going to be short and sweet. If anybody has any questions, just let me know. If they just let me get to the damn end. You know, here is where we just don't respect our teachers, man. Let the teacher finish the damn lesson, get to the end, and then ask your damn questions. It would be more respectful. I don't know who taught y'all how to be in class, man. You wait for the full damn lesson, then you ask questions. Then we can debate. But to think that I'm going to debate your ass in the middle of my damn lecture, you have lost your whole entire I want to learn mind. Shit. So, that is one of the things that I was studying last night and tried my best to put it as logically as possible so you guys could follow me, especially when it came down to laying the cup and the blade and the chalice out so you could see how these divine unions are shown in different ways in different cultures. Because I know you've seen the hourglass in different places. This is for the divine union of male and female. I know you've seen this star all over the place. The Star of David, which is the male and the female on top of one another, equal. This proves to me when brothers be talking about, you also know that this is the Merkaba, right? This is also called the Merkaba, which is a very, very sacred and ancient energy portal that if you know how to actually generate the ethers, this can send you to the Akashic record. It can send you back in time. It can send you forward in time. You can talk. They say you can talk to God itself if you understand how to work the Merkaba. This is actually how the pyramids in Egypt are built. Don't let them. And also the Louvre. The Louvre in France is built this way as well. It is to show the harmony between male and female. As above, so below. That's how this one reads. This one reads the exact same way. As above, so below. And if you notice, the one that should be on the bottom is on the top, and the one that should be on the top is on the bottom. This is also the theory of those that shall be last shall be first, and the first shall be last. That is also this theory. So you have these theories of the divine union that you will see all over the place. So just be aware that that is what you're looking at when you see these particular symbols. The male symbol is called the blade or the sun. And the female is called the chalice. So the male is called the blade. The male is called the blade. And the female is called the chalice. Just in case there's symbolisms that you might not get or understand. A woman is a cup. A man is a projectile. His penis stabs. Her vagina takes in. So now you understand what they mean when they talk about the blade and the chalice, or you get to see these beautiful symbols here. But always, babies, remember this theory, the Pythagorean theory, is a part of your history. It is something that you came up with to answer the questions of the logical universe. This is sacred geometry. Please remember, yes, brother, yes. Ashe, Dog Star Empress, which Holy Grail Keeper. Yes, sir, I am. Remember, I keep telling y'all, man, the priesthood is real. People believe that the priesthoods have died off. They haven't. And whenever you can boast of your priesthood quickly and without hesitation, you ain't really in a priesthood. I love that. I've been in a priesthood since I was 14 years old. In the blah, blah, blah. Shut up. If you had been in the priesthood since you was 14, you'd know to keep your mouth shut. Didn't we go over the seven trials of a Christ? By you jetting off at the mouth, you just kind of messed up at the third right, homie. Oh, Dr. Ben sure did. He sure did. I forget how many people have actually laid this out for you guys so you can try to understand. So that's where we are today. I'm not going to make this long. I'm going to scale back for a minute so you guys who would like to take a picture can do so. Let me try to put these in here so you can have your reference. The chalice and the blade. The female, the male. You'll also see that a lot of militaries use the chalice or this symbol in their medals. Especially the more dicks you have on your arm, the higher your rank. For those of you that have been in the military, you'll find this symbol up their arms. And it literally means the more dicks you have, the higher your rank. Just thought I'd put that out there so you'd understand military terms as well. All right, y'all. I hope this has been educational. I hope this has been interesting. I hope you too can now debunk Nature Boy's shit when he comes at you and yours with this, oh, homosexuality and bisexuality are okay. It is a part of universal nature. No, it ain't, nigga. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. You know, just be happy and gay. Just be gay and be okay with that. A lot of people are okay with that. It's when you start mixing this shit that I have to get your ass to set the ethers of the universe straight. We can't be having this shit, homeboy. No. So again, y'all send this to Herpesen Nation. Shout out to the Foot on Neck Squad. Ashe Divine, Sister Riri, Alexis Lopez, Marwan Tumadachi, Commander-in-Chief, Young Pharaoh. And there are a whole plethora of sisters who have gotten in on this. Fifth Dimension, beautiful to see you, sister. Thank you for the shout out. R. Kelly was right, y'all. When a woman's fed up, it ain't nothing you can do about it. Nothing you can do about it. And we are fed up with your homosexual, yeast-infected, herpes-having, probably AIDS-having ass. You's a liar from day said one. You have so many goddamn philosophies going on, brother, that you done amalgamated them all together like gumbo, and they don't go together. I got you. And if I thank you, sister, and if I have to go into my mystery systems and my old knowledge to pull your ass into the light, I will do so. I will drag your demon ass into the light like Constantine. And look at you and go, hey, asshole, I'm Fundi Fee. You know who this is? I bet you didn't think she was smart enough to talk about the Pythagorean theorem, did you? She just happens to be a dread with a hole in her nose that doesn't wear makeup, that talks about all that goddamn Tai Chi shit. She couldn't possibly know anything about math. I know enough about math to write a mighty prescription for that ass, bro. And I got a mighty prescription for you. Don't underestimate the queens, man. And we done came out of nowhere on your ass. I'ma say this again. You mess with one of my people, you mess with me. I am my sister's keeper. I am my brother's keeper. And I ain't got nothing but bile on this for you. Every day until you take the debate. You talked $100 worth of pure, non-analytical bullshit about how you was gonna destroy young Pharaoh. How you was gonna put nails in these niggas' coffins. Nigga, I got nails. I got coffin nails. You want coffin nails? Since I heard you say it, I'm gonna add coffin nails. Everything that come out your mouth, I'ma set straight on your ass. I'm talking about Nature Boy's gay, bisexual, pansexual ass. He's a trisexual. That nigga will try anything. Also, tomorrow I will be going into why it's not okay to use human poop on your garden. And if you do want to use human poop on your garden, I also have a way to make it safe enough. But I'm going to tell you why it is not okay to have poop on your human garden. Then, the next day, I'm going to go into why this nigga eats poop. It's a part of sex magic that Aleister Crowley came up with. I'm going to go into that shit because, yeah, nigga, I know you. I know your fucking type. Nigga, you possessed. You are possessed with more than one motherfucking demon. You's a nasty motherfucker. Yep, I'm gonna go into that too. I got notes on all kinds of shit on you. I be studying my enemy, man. Then I'm gonna go into probably the next day using the yin and yang symbol on your ass as to why everything that you say is fucked up, especially when it comes to the male and female dynamic. When you want to throw males and females and female and female and male together and holler that shit is universal order. No, the fuck it ain't. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. And then I'm going to prove why and how you're doing the sex magic. And then I'm going to prove that Mama Dia was a sacrifice for you that went wrong. You trying to have a baby. You did this in public with the wrong people watching, bruh. The best thing for you to do, Nature Boy, is to get your ass off social media and hide your cult. That's the best thing for you to do. Because I understand the magic that you're trying to do. Nigga, it's like you trying to bring the Antichrist. You polluted. Your woman polluted. Everybody in your coven is polluted. Y'all drinking. You butt ass naked. It's a lot of shit that you doing. You got children touching your vaginal parts and shit. You doing a lot of black magic to be talking about other people are demons, man. You be cursing the shit out of motherfuckers hollering, you the Christ. I only know that Christ cursed two things. He cursed the evil spirits into the swine. And he cursed the Pharisee for turning the synagogue into a marketplace. And nigga, you have turned a synagogue into a marketplace by taking hip hop and your fucking albums to nature. Nature don't need you. You not exactly a champion for nature, nigga. You don't need to know. If you do not know who Nature Boy is, you do not need to know. Just know that that nigga is satanic. He runs a poop cult who has herpes and yeast. Don't even look his ass up. Just realize, if you know anybody and you hear them talking fondly of a nature boy, you slap the shit out of them. You slap that thought right out their head. I mean, you do a quantum physics slap on a motherfucker. You make a sonic boom on that. But I'm going to show you the theorem one more time. I'm about to get out of here. The Pythagorean theorem, the logic in which the universe, at least one of its principles, is based off of. And see, y'all thought I was only good for self-improvement. I've studied a lot of shit in my life, man. A lot of shit. And when I became a witch, one of the first things that my elder told me was that if you're going to study this side, you're going to be a soldier for this side, you need to hard study the other side. So when you see them coming, when you feel them coming, you understand what's coming behind them. Because that is true universal love. True universal love is about understanding. Not necessarily acceptance, just understanding. Yeah, people who follow him have to be accountable for their choices. True, George, you're right. But my babies are not educated fully the way that they should be. And I am my brother's keeper. I am my sister's keeper. If I can stop one woman, from going to this man's camp or listening to him and not giving herself away, I have done my job. If I can save one, if I can just save one. I'm not saying that my history is clean. I'll never tell you that. You know, I got shit in my past too. Everybody does. But I'm not out here. I'm not out here causing the same pain that I was caused. I'm out here trying to see to it that my little brothers and sisters, that my brothers and sisters, that my elder brothers and sisters are not caught by these charlatans in their worst time and taken advantage of and given false doctrine. They've already been given false doctrine and taught how not to think for themselves. Who am I to watch them blindly walk into this? That is another degree of being a Christ. To be a hero. Heroism is one of the last degrees of being a Christ. It's not easy. You put yourself in peril. But I am one of the few that don't mind finding you in your darkness and pulling you out of it. My teacher taught me the master grips. All of them don't work on everybody. You can pull the body apart.
You can pull the mind apart with the wrong grip. That's why it takes master teachers to raise people from the dead. Resurrection ain't easy. To preserve a body until the mind decides that it wants to come back ain't easy. And this nigga is leading my people astray. He's leading the next set astray. And I can't be me and allow it. I can't stand on my platform and allow it. I can't turn a blind eye and not say anything about it. I wouldn't be Master Fundi Fee. So fuck that nigga. Foot on neck squad. Fons for short. This nigga needs to be bound in the worst way. And I don't mind freely and willfully helping with the binding. And neither does any of my squad. Love y'all, man. The queens have had enough of this fucker. You know who this is. This is Fundi Fee. And I always got my ear to the street. My ear to the street. My ear to the street. Love y'all.